How's it going, everyone? This is just more of a motivational speech here because I know a lot of people are hurting in the market. The market was down a lot on the SPY, QQQs, IWM, and it was a big red day, and most of the stocks are going to go down with that. And I just want to highly encourage you. These are going to happen. These cycles happen. You have these big red days, but then there's greener week coming in, and you just have to understand is how do you get through that? How do you control your emotions? Do you sell for a loss if it still meets your system and all that? I try to take it out, the bigger outlook. I do exactly what my system is telling me. Like I'm in some big cap stocks, I'm in some small caps, and they're going to go down unless that individual company has news to make it go up, right? So I mean, trading is really hard. It's an emotional roller coaster. If it was easy, everyone would do it. Everyone would make tons of money. And there is going to be times where you make tons of money, and then the risk of that is you can lose money. So I just want to encourage everyone to step back when it's like that, get a better outlook on the market. I could show you what we're doing right now on SPY. We did was come down to this EMA 50, and you could see the big market events that happened. We had these big moves down, right? And then we've recovered into no, better greener weeks, right? And then we come down and we come back up, and we're coming back down to this daily EMA 50. We just we're just slightly above it. And you can see in the bigger outlook that is really what happens in the market. We have corrections, right? And then we come back up. And with my strategy, I try to tell everyone, we follow our strict strategy. We look for these market pullbacks. If you're in a bigger cap stock, you can do cover calls, and that is really nice. Make sure you watch my videos about it. Where if your average is not that great, maybe you're down 5-10% on a bigger cap, well then you can sell cover calls to by the time, let's say next month, it's a better month, and then you make money and you're lowering your average as time goes by. We cannot predict any of these black swan events. We couldn't predict a move where it goes down 1.7% on SPY. It goes down $10. That was one of the biggest moves we've had in the S&P 500 and since 2025. And the last one was in 2024 with this Jay Powell, but this was one of the biggest moves down we had. You can't really expect that, right? We can definitely see that it wasn't a downtrend if you're using my strategy on the 15 minute when the EMA 50 is at the top. All you want to do is short this market, right? And that's really what that comes down to. But I just want to give you guys we all go through losses. It's part of trading. The best ones that win are the ones that you come back from it. You rest up for the weekend, and you just understand, like, anything can happen. I've lost lots of money in the market. If I did not stick to it, I would have just stayed in the hole. It's very easy to walk away and be like, this is not for me. And yeah, I still struggle with that every day, especially today. I just want to make this speech because it is normal to be like, I think this is not for me. As we had this terrible ding down, it feels like it's gambling. But you got to understand, you got to look at the bigger outlook in the picture. If you guys been in my Discord, if you're not, then you can always join. But I always tell you guys clear, concise plans that we're doing, right? We've had a lot of good trades that are good, and even with this bad market environment, I had some trades that were, really doing good, but it just, you just got to take it as a longer outlook approach into trading. If it don't work out, it's totally fine. We get into another trade and we live another day. So, do what you got to do. For me personally, I like to, look at the bigger outlook and look at, from the weeks and the months perspective of trading. If I lost on this day, what am I doing in each month? And you got to record, journal this, and see what works for you. Maybe small caps aren't for you. Maybe big caps are for you because they're less riskier. You can do cover calls. Maybe you like my credit spread strategy where you can ignore what happens in the market. If you're in my credit spread strategy, all you have to do is focus on this day only. I trade the indexes, and if it's bearish, we go bearish. If it's bullish, we trade bullish, and that's all you have to do. Swing trading is always going to be overnight risk. You cannot expect the market to go down like this, But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video and be like, it is completely normal to feel like, hey, should I quit and all that? Because there's going to be days where the market just sucks, and there's going to be days where it's very nice, and you're going to wish you stayed in. Okay, this is just temporary pain in my honest opinion. But if you guys want to join the Discord, see my actual strategies, I think you guys will love my credit spread strategy the most. If you're like, man, I want some risk off of swing trading, as this is, kind of insane right now. You guys are more welcome to join. I tell everyone, like, hey, it's a really nice strategy. I think you guys are gonna love it. But click the link down below in YouTube comments below in the description. Will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. Um, if you want to subscribe, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and it will ask you to subscribe for literally only 12 bucks a month. If you're not from the US, it'll be like 15 or 16. But if you subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer, but you'll get this day in swing trading plus membership. I'm going to do this for a limited time. For all the new members, you can get it. But you can see right in here, I took bear calls on my credit spread strategy. Did it for 20 cents. I'll tell you exactly what this is. I have exact videos on how to do credit spreads. And right in here, bam, this was a $200 profit day right here. And just based on, hey, I'm just going to trade the day by day. If it's bullish, then I trade bullish. If it's bearish, I trade bearish. And this is one of the plus sides of my day trading strategy, because we don't have to look at what the market's doing overnight. We just trade it by what it's doing every day. And it's a beautiful thing. My swing trades are, going to do fine too. I know in the long run, I've been through these market environments. I've been through COVID. I went out just fine. All right. So just don't let the little days, a single day, you wipe you out. Look at the longer term picture. You're going to have better months in trading than other months, and that's perfectly fine. And that's trading in general. So I just encourage it as a motivational video. Try to check out my credit spread strategy. It's really nice. Figure out your personality. If small caps are too risky, maybe follow my big cap stocks, because I always tell people, watch my credit spread strategy. You guys are gonna love that. How to sell covered calls, or how to sell covered calls where it doesn't really phase you if a big cap goes down, because then we can lower it just based on our shares by selling covered calls. It's really nice. So that's why I'm not really freaking out right now about this. I know this is normal. I've seen this happen on SPY many times, and it recovers. But join the Discord. I think you guys will love it. I'm here for you guys. I know it sucks, but you'll get through this. I promise you. Stick with it. You went here for a purpose. Do not give up. If I didn't give up, I would have lost tons and tons of money. I did really good over the years. We all go through the years where we blown accounts. I'll be honest, we all have blown accounts. We learn from it and be like, well, what was the mistake I did here? Was it risk management? Did I get FOMO? I chased something? Did I not wait for price to come to my area? There's a million reasons why, and you need to journal it and be like, this is my mistake. And that when you come up to a day like this again, where it's depressing, you won't experience that depressing day again, or at least you'll be better off, from the past experiences happen. We've seen this big day go down, right? On SPY, the whole market went down and it recovered the next week. This could very well be the next thing, But I just want to encourage you guys. This is part of trading. This is the game you're in. You got to have some thick skin. I promise you can get through there. If you want to join the Discord, I'll be there to help you. One-on-one coaching, mentorship. I do live streams. I'm there for you guys whenever you need it. All right, peace out.